Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, once we recall yesterday what we discussed. Yesterday we discussed about fraction and type of some fractions. First of all, fraction means what? Fraction is a part of a whole. For example, 3 by 7. How we will read this one? 3 sevens. 3 sevens. In this fraction, which is numerator? 3 is numerator. Which is denominator? 7 is denominator. In 3 by 7, which one represent equal parts or divided parts? Denominator means 7 represent equal parts and 3 represent selected parts. Yesterday we discussed some types of fractions. What are the fractions? Proper fraction, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fractions. Let us discuss once proper fraction. Proper fraction means which fractions are called proper fractions? Proper fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator. Say some examples. 3 by 7, 4 by 8, 5 by 10, etc. These are proper fractions. Next, improper fractions. Improper fractions are fractions whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Say some examples. 7 by 3, 8 by 5, 10 by 7, 10 by 7, 5 by 5, etc. Next, mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are combination of a whole and proper. 3 1 by 3, 2 1 by 5, 6 2 by 3, etc. Already yesterday we discussed we have one facility in fractions. Improper fractions we can convert into mixed fractions. Mixed fractions we can convert into improper fractions. Yesterday already I told that. Once we recall that, for example, if you take 6 2 by 3, it is a mixed fraction. How we will convert into improper fraction? First, what we have to take? Denominator into whole plus numerator by denominator. 6 3s are 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 how much? 20. 20 by 3. So now 6 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. We converted into improper fraction, that is 20 by 3. Again 20 by 3, it is an improper fraction. How we will convert into mixed fraction? We have to divide with 3 20. Say how many times? 3 6 are 18. 10 minus 8, 2. So remainder 2. So how we have to write mixed fraction? First, which one we have to take? Quotient as whole, remainder as numerator, divisor as denominator. So 20 by 3, if you convert into mixed fraction, what you will get? 6 2 by 3. So like this we can convert into improper fractions into mixed and mixed into improper fractions. Already we discussed yesterday. Next, like fractions. Which are called like fractions, children? Fractions whose denominators are same. Then that fractions are called like fractions. Say some examples. 3 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4. These are like fractions. Then unlike fractions. Which are called unlike fractions? Numerator and denominator are different. So fractions whose numerators and denominators are different, then the type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Next, yesterday we discussed already unit fraction. Unit fraction is a fraction in that always numerator is 1. So fractions whose numerator is 1, then the type of fractions are called unit fractions. So yesterday this all we discussed already yesterday this all. Today come today's class. So next to type. Already how many completed? Proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions, unit fraction also completed. So now what we have to discuss? Decimal fraction. Decimal fractions, vulgar fractions, equivalent fractions. So we have still 3 types of fractions. What are that? Decimal fractions. So today we are starting this class with the decimal fractions. So decimal fraction is a fraction. Decimal fractions. Fractions whose denominators are either 10 or 100 or 1000, etc. So decimal fraction is a fraction in which denominator is 10 or powers of 10. See here 10 we can 100 we can write 10 square, 1000 we can write 10 cube. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10 3 times we have to multiply. So we can say that which are called decimal fractions? Fractions whose denominators are either 10 or 100 or 1000 and 10,000 etc. So let us see some examples. 3 by 10, 4 by 100, 17 by 1000 etc. These are called decimal fractions. Next, vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction is opposite to decimal fraction. Means decimal fraction, which is called decimal fraction, denominators are, which are decimal fractions, denominators are either 10 or 100 or 1000. Except these remaining all whole numbers in the denominators. For example, vulgar fractions are fractions in which except 10, 100, thousands, remaining all whole numbers having in the denominators. These are called vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction means in the denominator we don't see 10, 100, 1000 etc. Remaining any whole number if you take in the denominator except 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. So in the denominator whole numbers, any whole number if you take except this. So then that fractions are called vulgar fractions. Next fractions. Next type of fractions, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions. Which fractions are called equal value, having equal value, then the type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction. So fractions which are having fractions value is same. Which fractions value are same? Say for example 1 by 2. If you take 2 by 4, if you take 3 by 6, if you take 4, these all are having same value. How we will say? After simplification, see here 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 4 ones are 4 twos. So all are these fractions all are having same value. So these all fractions are called equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions means fractions which are having same value are called equivalent fractions.